Hey guys, welcome back to my estate. This is hot cake, right? There is something happening in estate that I want everybody to grab a piece. Okay? It's a hot cake, yeah? Like really, really hot. But I don't want to benefit from this alone. That is why I'm sharing this video, right? I want everybody in my team to grab a piece. Now, if you are not in my team and you are in estate, you are watching this video as well, please go and grab a piece of what I am about to show you, right? This is fantastic promo that estate is offering for this summer. And then also remember that this summer is when they are launching the estate app. Okay, let me chip that one in. This summer, eState is going to launch its own app. So bear that in mind. eState app is launching this summer. Now, that apart, okay, that apart, the piece of cake that you need to take is this. Let me quickly show you this, right? So they are offering this summer property bonus and it's starting today. And I'm recording this video June 28th and it is going to expire July 12th. And what are the properties that are offering these bonuses on? It's simple. In your back office, you can find them, right? It's only 3 properties, okay? The business development, the development, and the desert villa. Those are the only 3 properties that they are offering this promo on, okay? Now, on my right hand side here, the business development is what you are required to purchase a piece of it. That is why I use this title, right? Hot cake, grab a piece. So I need you guys to go to your back office and grab a piece of the business development, or grab a piece of the development, or grab a piece of the desert villa. Now, when you do grab a piece of either business development or desert villa, on my right hand side here, you will see the corresponding bonus. So if you buy one of these, you get a bonus of land plot. And then remember that this is a bonus, right? The bonus is going to be earning you $8,727. Imagine a bonus of $8,727. That is amazing, right? Bonus, only the bonus, right? Now, if you go down and purchase the development piece of property, right? If you decided to get a fractional ownership of these, the bonus alone is going to be giving you $2,000 monthly. And then on a daily basis, it's $96. This is great. And then for the desert villa, if you decide to purchase the desert villa, now for those of you that don't know the prices, okay, or the minimum to purchase a piece of these properties, for the desert villa is $1,000. Okay, that is the minimum. Okay, and this property, desert villa, is the lowest among the 3 promotional properties that they are offering right now. If you do purchase this desert villa, you are looking at a monthly profit of $109. And if you break it down to daily basis, you are looking at $5.20. But they are also going to give you a bonus of the lake house. So you get a bonus of the lake house, which is going to be giving you a monthly profit of up to $23, okay, almost $24. And then if you break it down on a daily basis, you are going to be getting just above $1 on a daily basis profit, right? So this to me is something that you don't want to miss. All right. So again, it's ending July 12th. So the time for you to add is now. Don't wait for tomorrow. It's now that you need to add. So make sure that you go and gather your money, come back here into your back office, of course, and then purchase your property. For those of you that are already in estate, if you are not in estate, then please use the link below this video description to register and just get yourself going with these guys. Okay, this is one of the best promos that I believe is going to come this year. This one is the summer promo, right? And you don't want to miss it. So the link to join e-estate is below this video description. All the video instructions that you need are below the video description as well. Okay, just follow how to register, how to complete your KYC, how to deposit, and eventually you purchase your property, and then you are boom, you are in, right? Receiving all of those great profits that are going to be coming on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays. So that's all I have for you guys. Have a nice day and God bless you as you do so. Thank you.